So, are you curious about this whole plant-based eating thing? It's not about sprouting leaves from your ears, although that would be a neat party trick. A plant-based diet simply means focusing on foods that come from plants. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. It's like a vibrant rainbow on your plate. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean banishing all animal products. Some people who identify as plant-based might still enjoy an egg from Henrietta the hen or a dollop of yogurt every now and then. It's more of a spectrum than a strict set of rules. Think of it as plants first rather than plants only. Flexibility is key. Vegetarians typically avoid meat, poultry, and fish, while vegans take it a step further, excluding all animal products, including dairy, eggs, and honey. However, those following a plant-based diet might include these occasionally, focusing on the abundance of plants. The spotlight is on that solid plant-based core. Eating more plants is like giving your body a high five. Numerous studies have shown a link between plant-based diets and a lower risk of chronic diseases. Think about it. Plants are packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, all the good stuff your body craves. Fiber, for instance, is like a little broom that sweeps your digestive system, keeping things running smoothly. A plant-based diet can also be friendly to your heart. Studies have shown that those who eat plant-based tend to have lower cholesterol and blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. And let's not forget the environmental perks. By choosing more plants, you're contributing to a healthier planet, a win-win for you and Mother Earth. Science isn't just about lab coats and beakers, it's about understanding how the world works, including what fuels our bodies best. Numerous studies have shown the power of plants in promoting health and preventing disease. The Adventist Health Study 2, a large-scale long-term study, has provided compelling evidence for the benefits of plant-based diets. Researchers found that vegetarians and vegans had a lower risk of developing various types of cancer, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes compared to meat eaters. Another study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that a plant-based diet could improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. These studies, among many others, demonstrate that plants aren't just a passing food fad. They're a pathway to better health, backed by science. It's like having a roadmap to a healthier, happier you, guided by the wisdom of science. Embrace the power of plants for a healthier tomorrow. Navigating the vegiverse. Precautions and challenges. While a plant-based diet offers a plethora of benefits, it's important to be mindful of potential challenges. One common concern is getting enough essential nutrients, particularly vitamin B12, iron, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are more abundant in animal products. Careful planning and supplementation might be necessary. Another challenge can be social situations. Dining out with friends or attending family gatherings can sometimes feel like navigating a minefield of meat-heavy dishes. Lastly, transitioning to a plant-based diet can take time and experimentation. It's not an overnight switch. It's a journey of discovering new foods, recipes, and ways of cooking. Planting the seed. Practical tips for starting. Ready to embark on your plant-based adventure? Here are some practical tips to help you get started. Start gradually. Don't try to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Begin by incorporating 1 or 2 plant-based meals a week. Explore new foods. The plant world is vast and diverse. Venture beyond your usual lettuce and tomato and discover the exciting flavors of kale, quinoa, lentils, and tempeh. Learn some simple plant-based recipes. There are countless delicious and easy-to-make plant-based meals out there. Start with simple recipes and gradually expand your repertoire. Cooking should be fun. Don't be afraid to experiment with new ingredients, spices, and cooking techniques. Recipes for success. Delicious plant-based meals. The beauty of a plant-based diet lies in its versatility. From hearty stews to vibrant salads, the possibilities are endless. For a quick and easy weeknight meal, try a lentil soup. Packed with protein and fiber, it's a comforting and nutritious dish that will warm you from the inside out. If you're craving something heartier, try a black bean burger. These flavorful patties are a great alternative to traditional beef burgers and can be customized with your favorite toppings. For a refreshing and light meal, a quinoa salad with roasted vegetables is a perfect choice. The nutty flavor of quinoa combined with the sweetness of roasted vegetables creates a delightful symphony of flavors. And for a sweet treat, try a chia seed pudding. This creamy and delicious dessert is packed with nutrients and can be customized with your favorite fruits and toppings. It's like a guilt-free indulgence that satisfies your sweet tooth without the sugar crash. Cultivating your green side, long-term sustainability. Embracing a plant-based lifestyle is more than just a diet. It's a commitment to a healthier you and a healthier planet. One of the keys to long-term sustainability is meal prepping. By preparing your meals in advance, you ensure that you have healthy and delicious plant-based options on hand, even on the busiest of days. Another important aspect is building a supportive community. Connecting with others who follow a plant-based diet can provide inspiration, motivation, and a sense of belonging. Keep learning and exploring. The world of plant-based cuisine is constantly evolving. Be curious, try new recipes, and expand your knowledge of plant-based nutrition. And most importantly, be patient with yourself. Transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle is a journey, not a destination.